Hey everybody, Ashley Garner here with ABG Multifamily. This week I want to talk about something that may not be getting as many headlines, but I think is probably one of the most important trends in multifamily real estate today. And that is that the apartment market is getting quietly stronger. So listen, over the past couple years, lots of markets across the country, especially in the Sun Belt, including parts of North Carolina, have experienced a wave of new apartment construction. So any of you who drive around or leave your house ever, I'm sure you've seen more apartments. That increased supply, along with other market factors, has created more competition, which leads to more concessions and slower rent growth because the tenants have more choices. But today, we're starting to see that construction pipeline is slowing down pretty dramatically in some cases. Nationally, apartment construction has fallen to its lowest level in more than a decade while demand continues to improve. So why does this matter? It matters because housing is a supply and demand business. Less supply means the price goes up. More supply means the price goes down. By the way, that's also the key piece in this housing affordability discussion. If the goal is lower prices so more people can afford to rent or buy, then the only answer is more supply. Now, when fewer apartments are being built, but more people continue to move to North Carolina for jobs and quality of life, etc., eventually the demand begins catching up with the supply, and then rents and home prices go up. That's exactly the type of environment that long-term apartment owners like to see. Does that mean that every apartment investment is a good deal? Definitely not. But it comes down to the fact that success still happens when you buy it at the right price, in the right market, and you buy the right property. At ABG, we're focused on markets with population growth, employment growth, and a strong long-term rental demand. Then we create value by improving operations, increasing resident satisfaction, and ultimately growing net operating income. Those are the things that we can control. The construction pipeline, the economy, the interest rates, those are things that we cannot control. So the takeaway is simple. Headlines may still sound kind of cautious, and for good reason, but beneath the surface, the long-term fundamentals for well-located properties continues to improve. I'm Ashley Garner with ABG Multifamily. We make real estate easy for you. Have a great week.